Hey guys, John here over at Byrider in Green Bay. Just taking a little bit of time to share with you a couple misconceptions about buy here, pay here dealerships and how Byrider is a little bit different. So a lot of people, when they go to a buy here, pay here kind of dealership, they don't even know what it is. So to kind of give you a little bit of insight to what it is it's a dealership where we don't have to send out to a bunch of different banks to see if we can get you qualified. It's all done in-house. So we get you in here, we get you qualified for our program. We talk to the one bank that we work with, and that's how we get you qualified. And if you want to come in here and make payments, you can make them right here in the store if you wanted to. A lot of people always have the idea that buy here, pay here dealerships have terrible cars and nothing good going on at them, but that's not true here at Byrider. We strive to help you and rebuild your credit and get you driving on the road in a safe and reliable vehicle. All of our vehicles go through service inspections and come with a great service contract called the 48-month service contract. For the first 48,000 miles, any major components on your vehicle, engine, transmission, electrical, stuff like that, they have coverage on them. So you pay a $50 deductible if something goes wrong, and after that, you're covered. We want to make sure you have a good experience buying a vehicle. We know it can be hard. So if you're looking for something, give us a shot. Our number here is 920-455-7788, and we are located at 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. We'd love to help you out and get you driving. So give us a shot, give us a call.